Well guys, another video from Haulover Inlet. I hope you liked it. This time a little more of fancy yachts than powerboats, but still it was a nice day for yacht spotting. Again, I want to ask everybody to please leave a comment below. I need those comments so that YouTube will recognize my channel and promote me a little bit more. I want to keep bringing you content constantly, so by improving my views I will be able to stay here. So for now, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Always write in the comments below what you like and what you don't like, and then I can go and film more of what you want. For now, this is all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.